In front of me is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Caffeine, keep screen on, and get this app from this developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK. Tap on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on. When you finished, you need to click on this icon of a pen at the bottom left corner of Tab menu. Scroll all the way down, look for your new shortcut and add it to the current ones. Then go back, click on your shortcut and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!